morning everyone, my name is Fatima Farah. I'm studying in KG2M. Today I'm going to talk about ducks. Ducks are birds. Ducks are also called waterfowl because they are normally found in places where the water like ponds, streams and rivers. Ducks also have shorter neck, wings and stout body. A female duck is called a hen. They are identified by the dull brown feathers. A male duck is called a drake. You can identify the male duck by its brightly colored feathers. Thank you. Good morning everyone. My name is Sasha Faha. I'm studying in KG2M. Today I'm going to talk about the birds which cannot fly. Flightless birds are birds which cannot fly. They rely on their ability to run and swim. Most flightless birds have heavier bodies. They will usually develop smaller wings or none at all. Many grow longer, stronger, more muscular legs and all. The best known being the ostrich, emu, cassowary, kiwi and penguin. Thank you.